Hey, what's hanging? In my last video, I went over motion-based integration for your parts. Today, I'll be talking about the fourth and fifth steps, how to assemble everything and finish up. I've combined these two steps into one video since they're both short and important. So you've got all your parts, time to build! Hold on, not so fast. Before you pick up that screwdriver, learn from my mistakes. Since moving projects are so different from each other, there isn't much I can offer here except my own experiences. First, I like to do constant part checks. Remember in my last video where I mentioned doing an initial part check? Well, you want to do more part checks throughout the build process. You want to make sure that parts are still working when you start building. You do this because it helps eliminate any problems that may come up when building, and by ensuring that the part you have is not the problem, you can then better diagnose what the problem actually is. Second thing is to build slowly, as in do not put everything together at once. Instead, start with one motion part and start building around that. Build a small section around that and then test it to make sure it moves the way you want. Repeat with other motion parts and then finally you can start attaching it to the chassis and start bringing it all together. By building it and testing it this way, you ensure that everything works as planned and can easily section off areas where you run into problems. Now you don't have to follow these build practices, this is just what works best for me. Now once you've built your project, it's time to see if you like what you made. Try using your project. If you're completely satisfied, then great, project complete. Feel free to go ahead and start decorating it and making it look good. If you are not, then write down why not. Some good questions to ask yourself are, is it missing something? Perhaps the motion is too slow, too fast? Is the motion erratic, not consistent? After that, go back and start researching ways to fix them. Keep researching and building until you feel like stopping. And that's it! You now have all the necessary knowledge to go out and create your own moving projects. I've had lots of fun talking about my favorite pastime, and I hope you enjoyed this series. There are tons of things that I mentioned but didn't get a chance to explain, so do keep an eye out for future videos. Good luck, and I'll see you again soon.